Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Q in Visual Studio. First, ensure you have the AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio installed, which is essential for integrating Amazon Q. You can find it in the Visual Studio Marketplace. Once installed, open Visual Studio and navigate to the AWS Explorer. Here, you will connect your AWS Builder ID or IAM Identity Center to authenticate. After successful authentication, the Amazon Q panel will become visible, typically on the right side of your integrated development environment, ready for interaction. Amazon Q offers powerful code generation capabilities. Simply type a comment or partial code, and Amazon Q will provide intelligent suggestions to complete your code, saving you valuable development time. You can also highlight any section of code and ask Amazon Q to explain its functionality in plain language, which is incredibly helpful for understanding unfamiliar code bases. Furthermore, it can suggest refactoring improvements, helping you write more efficient and maintainable code with just a few clicks. Beyond code generation, Amazon Q significantly enhances your debugging workflow. When you encounter an error or exception, Amazon Q can analyze the context and provide immediate suggestions for potential fixes. It helps you interpret complex stack traces and error messages, offering clear explanations and actionable steps to resolve issues quickly. This intelligent assistance can drastically reduce the time spent on debugging, allowing you to focus more on developing new features rather than troubleshooting persistent problems. To maximize your productivity with Amazon Q, always provide clear and concise prompts. The more specific your request, the better the generated output will be. Remember to always review and validate any code Amazon Q generates, as it is an assistant, not a replacement for human oversight. Utilize its capabilities to explore new application programming interfaces, understand unfamiliar frameworks, and even learn best practices for various programming languages, making you a more efficient and knowledgeable developer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.